The stars, the planets, the galaxies, and the universe, and much, much more. All of this is astronomy. Today, I will teach you the various roots that astronomy has. It will truly be an astronomical trip. But let's begin with the basics, shall we? Let's start with the founding father of astronomy. The father of modern astronomy was Galileo Galilei. He was born in Pisa, Italy in 1564 and died in Arcetri, Italy in 1642. The things that he discovered are incredible, and that everything began with the study of the pendulum. Let us see what some of his findings were. First, he constructed the first known complete astronomical telescope. It was one of the most complete and effective telescopes of his time. Also, he observed and studied the four largest satellites of Jupiter. Those were the first satellites of a planet other than the Earth to be detected. Pretty amazing feature to be done on those times. And one last fact. He studied the moon, and he found out that the moon is shining with reflected light. He also said that the moon has an uneven and mountainous surface. But let us not forget that Galileo wasn't the only one to contribute to astronomy. There are many civilizations that gave their parts. Here are some of them. The Sumerians and Babylonians. The astronomy of Mesopotamia was closely related, so the findings we do of these civilizations in particular will be conjoined. Both cultures use a writing called cuneiform. They left stone tablets with records of various astronomical happenings. One of the most studied was the cycle of the appearance and disappearance of Venus. Also, they invented a degree system to distinguish positions in the sky. This was similar to latitude and longitude, but pretty advanced for those times. The Egyptians, my favorite sand dwellers. This civilization was unique, and their astronomic findings as well. Based on their findings, they were able to predict seasons, especially the flooding of the Nile River. They brought the ability to make precise constructions, just basing themselves on the stars, zodiac, and constellations. Amazing, right? The Mayans, one of the most advanced civilizations that have ever existed. Let's dive and find what they have left for us. Their civilization influenced the creation of astrology, which is founded on the movements and related positions of celestial bodies, most commonly the stars. They were able to predict eclipses. This was a tough task, but they managed to do it in those times. And finally, the Greeks, one of my personal favorites. Let us begin with their findings and contributions. They made it possible to track time in one of the most precise ways that we have ever seen. Incredible what we can discover just by looking up to the sky. They connected and made the names to the now popular constellations, the main 17 that we use today. Speaking of constellations, I will show you the main 17 constellations that we use today. You will see the name, and in one side you will see the outline, and in the other side you will see the figure it makes. Unto the stars we go.